Quizzes are organized by system. Once in a quiz, you will be asked to select a structure and submit an answer. In some cases, you may have to rotate around the model or even hide structures to locate the correct answer. Note cards can be created from any anatomy view. You can enter information using the text box or use the Draw tool to mark up the image. Your saved note cards can be accessed from the main menu. If you refer to a preset view on a regular basis or have worked hard to make a custom view, you can save it to your favorites.